So let's go to tower diagrams again. So the first one that you see is a balance of the yin and yang. The second tower diagram, this is where you get to see the yang increasing if exposed to yang factors like heat, sun, spicy food, infection, and allergy. So eventually, the yin will have to react. So the healthy yin will increase in an attempt to control the excess yang. If the yang increases for any reason, a healthy yin will not accept this without opposition. It will always do something to control it. So the yin will increase as well, thus causing temporary state of excess in both energies, causing fluid and heat. The yin is released by the body in order to cool or control the heat. For example, sweating. So when there is heat, we sweat. And if there is gastroenteritis, we vomit and we have diarrhea. And if we have bronchitis, there is excessive mucus. If we have joint inflammations, there will be edema or effusions. So treatment, sedate the yang only. It is enough to sedate only the yang. One could also support the yin. Even in this case, where the yin is in excess, it is possible to support it so that the yin would not be consumed by the excess yang. So if you have been very attentive with Ma'am Teresita's discussion, eventually the yin will be consumed by the excess yang. So we can continue supporting the yin, no? In order for that not to happen. It is possible to increase and decrease energies with acupuncture. There are points on meridians and therapy techniques for tonification or increasing energy and for sedation. So when you say sedation, we decrease the energy. It is possible to influence only the yang or only the yin. In this case, we reduce only the yang because this is the cause of the disease. Increase of the yin in this example is only a reaction to the yang increase. If we reduce the yang, the yin or the dampness should go down automatically. Let's go to another example. So the first tower diagram, of course, is the balance of the yin and yang. The second one, the yin increases. So this time it's the yin that increases because of exposure to yin factors like cold, damp, lot of fatty foods, raw foods, and closed, stuffy environment. So eventually, the yang will have to react. The yang increases to fight the yin excess. If the yin increases for any reason, the yang will react to this by rising up to oppose and control the yin. So this will again cause a damp heat situation. Okay, so this is heat caused because of dampness. So because of dampness, there is heat. Examples for this situation would be inflamed acne. Too much yin, so there is heat. Varicose eczema, itching and bleeding psoriasis, recurrent symptoms of gastritis in an obese person. Being obese is yin. So the obese would usually have gastritis. So there are situations where the yin is excess, or there is stagnation of thick fluids or blood, such as an oily skin, edema in the legs because of varicose veins or circulation problems, obesity, and thick raised skin in psoriasis. These are conditions where there is more substance and retention of fluid with poor circulation, and where this stagnant dampness can generate heat. Dampness causes stagnation and pathogenic heat. Treatment, sedate only the yin. We can support the functional chi, no moxa, but use only the bakshu points. We can use the luo connecting point of the yang organ with local cupping therapy. Where the heat is severe, we may do bleeding. Some blood may be left. We can do bleeding.